for getting the temperature of the thermometer from the anus of the baby. Okay. Halimbawa, tapos na yung 3 minutes. Okay. Get the thermometer. Put back the diaper on the baby. Then, read at eye level yung thermometer. So your temperature should not exceed 37.5 degrees Celsius. If it exceeded 37.5 degrees Celsius, it means your baby has a fever. So you could not proceed to the bathing procedure. Assuming wala siyang lagnat, 37 degrees Celsius na, get another cotton ball soaked with alcohol, and this time, disinfect the thermometer from the stem. This is the stem. Using one firm rotary motion, going to the bulb of the thermometer. Okay. Discard. Place back thermometer on its container. Just here. And place the baby back to the crib for a while you prepare now the different equipment that you will be using. You can do the aftercare for this one. So what are the different equipment and materials you will be needing? Okay, assuming there is already a milk formula that is prepared. Milk formula, vitamins. This is the cup of the baby, the paraphernalia of the baby. The cup. These are called as pudding. These are called as mittens. This is the baby dress. Specifically, this type of a baby dress is called as the double-breasted type of a dress. Yung mga t-shirt, sando, they are called as slip-over type of a dress. So, we have a double-breasted dress for your baby. A bib, and a diaper. Disposable diaper. You will be needing 2 receiving blankets for the baby. Also, you'll be needing 2 big towels, 2 towelettes, 2 soft towelettes. This is the baby lotion. Lotion, shampoo, powder, and other accessories for your baby. Kung ano yung gusto nyo ilagay sa baby after bathing. You'll be needing 1 baby soap for the baby. You'll also be needing again your basin, your plastic sheet, a rubber sheet inside the bathtub, and the bathtub. Okay. So now you're ready to give a bath to your baby. Kasi wala siyang lagnat, pwede natin siyang paliguan. Okay. First, procedure. You have to prepare your working area. So lay down the blanket on the table. down the towel, especially look for the soft part of the towel. Yung malambot, dapat yun yung nagtatouch doon sa baby, no? The skin ng baby. So, ito yung malambot. So, you notice, yung isang towel, mas mahaba siya. Ito, medyo maikli. Bakit kaya?
Para pagpupunasan yung baby. Pero
Okay. So, dito sa ulo niya, ano, yung mahaba. Yung mahaba naman sa side na to, ito yung sa katawan niya. Okay. So, lay down your towel. Okay. Next. Halimbawa, naka-prepare na yung gagamitin ng baby. So, okay. Na. So everything that you'll be needing should be placed in order, should be put in order for you to save time and energy. So all those are the equipment that you'll be needing for this procedure. Next, you can get the baby from the crib. Sabi natin, baby yan. So you have to support the head and neck. So baka kasi pag assessment nyo, kung ganyan, no? Deduct na yun. Okay. So you have to observe also proper body mechanics. Yung mga Jeria, alam na yon. By bending on your knees. So not on your back. Hindi nakaganyan ka. Bend mo yung knees mo, no? When getting the baby. So that hindi mahirapan yung back area mo. So support the head and neck of the baby. Place the baby on the first blanket carefully. Okay. You can remove the top. Put it up. Neaten. And place them on the hamper. Okay. Next, we will be cleaning the baby from head to foot. You'll be using one soft towelette. Gagamit tayo ng soft towelette. Wet the towelette on the basin of water. Squeeze extra water. Remember, all your equipment should be near your working area, especially the baby. Do not go on this side, leaving the baby on the other side, because there is a danger that your baby might fall. So always be on guard and watch for your baby. Okay. Form a mitten. Form a mitten on your towelette. First, wipe the eye, one eye of your baby from the middle canthus, dito sa bridge ng nose, mag-start, to the outer canthus, palabas. Then, using the other side of the towel, or the towelette, clean or wipe the eye, the other eye, from the inner canthus to the outer canthus. Use only one stroke each eye. If ever the eyes are still dirty, you can wash again your towelette and you can wipe them again. But each time you wipe, you just need to wipe them using one stroke. Isang stroke lang. Pwede pa ganun-ganun. Pumalik-balik yung dumi. No? One stroke lang. Each eye. Okay. Next. Rinse. If you notice, we did not use any soap. Walang soap sa facial area ng baby. Okay. So, rinse. Okay. Next. it will be the next part of the body that should be cleaning, which is the face. The face tayo. How do you clean the face of the baby? So from the side of the forehead, using small circular strokes, ganon, to the bridge of the nose, to the cheek, to the chin, to the back of the ear. Then you can rinse it again kung marumi na, but if not, you can proceed on the other side, from the side of the forehead, using circular strokes, to the bridge of the nose, the cheek, to the chin, and to the back of the ear. Okay. Question hanggang doon. Wala. Wala na. Put this one now. Hang it on top of the laundry hamper, because that is a wet towel. Do not mix it with the dry clothes. You spot dry the face of the baby. Okay? Pa, question. Paliwanag ba? Hanggang doon, hindi ko na po ulitin to. Baka paulit nyo. Mahaba pa ito. Okay na. Sige. So now, it's time for you to take the baby. And you will be shampooing the baby's head over the basin. Okay? So take the baby and hold the baby using what they call as the football hold. Ito yung tinatawag na football hold. Nakaipit, no? Doon sa braso mo, sa chest, yung katawan ng baby, while you support the head and neck of the baby. And, of course, close mo yung ears niya para hindi na mapasukan ng tubig. So, this is the football hold. Wet the head of the baby. Okay. Apply shampoo. So, on Monday, I don't want you to ask, Sir, babasahin ko ba? Sir, lalagyan ba ng shampoo? Kung ano yung ginagawa ko, ito yung gagawin nyo. Kasi marami sa inyo, ganun. No? At kung napansin nyo, hindi ako sumasagot pag-assessment. Dito lahat sasagutin ko. But during assessment, huwag na kayong magtatanong, hindi ko kayo sasagutin. Okay. So dito na kayo magtanong, kaya natanong ko kayo kung may hindi pa clear. Okay. So, apply shampoo. Use only your finger pads, huwag yung fingernails kasi mga masugatan yung scalp ng baby. So, massage the scalp gently. Massage the scalp of the baby gently, and you can rinse it after shampoo. Okay. So, halimbawa, na-rinse na yan. Place it back, the baby back, over the towel, and pat dry the hair of the baby. Okay. Now it's time for you to remove yung kanyang damit. So, na-notice nyo, hindi kagad natin, di ba, tinanggal. Kasi nga, baka nalamigan, o hindi pa naman, yung panahon, baka lamigan siya. Okay, so first, remove. Gently remove the dress of the baby. For the head and neck. Be very careful in handling the baby. Place that in the laundry hamper. Do not yet remove the diaper. We'll be cleaning first the upper body of the baby. Kasi lalong-lalo na pag lalaki yan, pag umiti yan, sa'yo. No? Huwag muna yan. kailangan mo muna siya na naka-diaper. Mamaya natin tanggalin. Okay. Now, wet the towelette. We apply soap. Dito, mag-a-apply na tayo ng soap. Okay. Remove excess water. Form a mitten. Okay. Wipe the arms of your baby, no, from the shoulder, pababa, or any movement. Okay lang yan sa baby, not like the adult. Mataas kasi sa adult yan, no? Hindi sa baby, okay lang. So, longitudinal stroke, both arms. So, longitudinal stroke, both arms. Then, the axilla, yung armpit ng baby. Din natin. So, kung marumi na yun, yung towel, rinse natin, apply soap, nawa, marumi yan. Marumi yung baby. Form a mitten. Soap yan. The neck, the chest, circular strokes also, up to the abdomen. So, kung marumi, pwede niyong banlawan. Kung hindi naman, support the baby. No? Halimbawa, lilinisin natin yung back area niya, hawakan natin yung baby dito sa arm niya, turn the baby towards her side, and clean the back of the baby using big circular strokes. Okay. Next. Paling yan. Rinse. Rinse natin. Apply soap. With extra water. Clean now. The foot of your baby. May nakalimutan ako kanina. Mamaya ko na lang sabihin. Okay. Clean now the foot of your baby. Okay. So, malinis na yung kanyang paa. And now, place this one on the hamper. Okay. Doon sa face ng baby, may nakalimutan tayo. No? Ano siya? If ever, no? Kung meron tayong gata, bulak, pwede na rin. You can clean the mouth of the baby also. Pwede nating linisin para matanggal yung excess milk doon sa baby. And during the preparation of this, di ba nag-prepare tayo kanina ng mga tawag dito, equipment na gagamitin. Kung paglagay natin dito, lalagay din natin yung tubig sa bathtub. Okay, maglalagay tayo ng tubig doon. And place hot water, no? Nakainit na tubig, in order for you to make the water look warm. So, meron siyang hot water. Then, you're going to check it. Check mo. The same is true kanina. Hindi ko na-check dito. I-check mo muna yung temperature ng tubig using the elbow test. Yung elbow natin, yung pag-check natin ng tubig. Kasi maliban dito sa wrist natin, yung elbow din is sensitive also to it. Okay? Okay? Hot water para maging lukewarm yung tubig. Okay na. Question. Yung gagawin natin yun during the preparation, no? Pag nag-prepare tayo. Diba? Tapos kanina, meron din na tubig dito. Gagamitin natin sa base.
Sir, sir, paglilinis ng bibig, after nung paglilinis ng bibig.
Mukha. Ano pa? Ano pa? Baka...
Yung tubig, sir, kasabay nung pag-prepare ng mga gamit.
Ito?
Oo.
Di ba, linagay natin yung mga towel na to? Yan, sabay-sabay yan lahat. Okay? Ano pa?
So, yung pong ginamit na tubig doon, warm.
Oh, lukewarm din.
Lukewarm din.
Oo. Ito sa ulo. So, balikan natin yun. Bago natin tayo kasi, nag-wash tayo ng hands. No? So, pwede palitan yan and timplahin yung tubig. So, bago natin linisin yung kanyang mukha, dapat ma-check na natin yung tubig. Okay.
Right.
Question.
Hikal ko eh. Okay.
Sana. Sige, tapos na tayo sa paa, ha? O, pwede na natin tanggalin ngayon yung diaper. So, exposure diaper correctly. Huwag lang basta-basta tatakon. Suot natin. Okay, halimbawa.
Lingas God ni baby.
Then, you can now rinse the baby. Di ba may sabon siya? O yan. I-rinse natin yung baby. Kailangan natin itong rubber sheet para hindi masyadong madulas, no? Alin? Yes.
So, wala pang sabon.
O, nandyan po kasi kayo eh. Alangan naman ako yung magpunta dyan.